Florida Southern College, a historic institution, its impact resounding like the toll of bells, shaping lives across generations. A vibrant hub of talent with graduates in over 50 fields, securing positions with influential companies nationwide, others pursuing further education in top graduate schools. Today, we build upon the notes of our history, each accomplishment adding new layers to the rich symphony of our legacy. Architects are the conductors of space and design. Their creations resonate through time like the toll of bells. Florida Southern College stands as an architectural masterpiece. Wright's designs resonate, inspiring all who encounter its brilliance. It transcends buildings. It's a living and learning laboratory of architecture. Now, Florida Southern College is poised to house a new landmark program, a new bell joining the reverberations of our history and heralding the exciting future possibilities for our students and campus. With the launch of our innovative architecture program, we continue to pioneer new paths in education, echoing our legacy of innovation. This program offers exceptional opportunities for students to immerse themselves in the field, connect with industry leaders, and gain hands-on experience that will shape their futures. Florida Southern College is unwavering in its commitment to nurturing leaders who can make a positive and consequential difference in the world. As architects, our graduates will not only design spaces, but also shape communities, leaving a lasting impact wherever their careers may take them. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey, where our past, present, and future intertwine like bells ringing out into the horizon, echoing through time and reminding us of the limitless possibilities ahead.